Hello, good morning students. Coming to the next topic in the chapter number 6, plants preparing and storing food. We will now discuss how do plants use their food. We had a discussion that plants prepare the food, how they prepare, what are the things they need particularly for preparation of food. Now the food that they have prepared, what is the use of that food? We all know that we need food to survive. Even plants also need food for their growth, for their development and for their survival. You have seen that when you grow seed to a plant, or you may have planted a sapling, it slowly grows, isn't it? It doesn't stay in the same place, no? It starts growing. Or if it can't grow, you have not nurtured it properly, you have not given the proper water and the fertilizer it needs, then it means the minerals it needs, then it will not survive. Okay, so if the plant is surviving, it will grow and it needs food, and the food is not given from exterior end, means we are not providing. Yes, they need sunlight, they need water which we have to give, or they get it from the nature, and they need minerals and they need the air, means carbon dioxide, so they can tap. So plants can independently prepare their own food. They are able to prepare their food. And what are the uses of this food? Let us discuss. Now food prepared by the plant is in the form of sugar. I told you it's a sugary thing, and it is the starch. We call it starch. Okay, so plants prepare the food that is starch, and that starch we have studied. I hope you remember in the first chapter that carbohydrates, you get it from the starch. So we need carbohydrate, we need starch. Okay, so food prepared in the form of simple sugar, it is used to get them energy. You remember energy giving food we had discussed that, like carbohydrates and fats give us energy, and it is in the starch. Like you see, you eat potatoes. Potato is the starch actually, so you get the starch from potatoes. So see, you are getting the starch from plants. Okay, so carbohydrates and fats which give us energy to our body, so we are getting from plants. And so plants need energy, and so they make this starch, they make this sugary food, and which give them also energy. So plants get energy, it helps, some of it is used for their growth, for their growing up. So from this small seed it grows to the big plant, or from the sapling it grows, it all grows from seed only. So the plants grow, for the growth they need this starch. Extra food is stored in the form of starch in leaves, stems or root. Now first we discussed in the previous that with the help of the veins, with this help of these veins, okay, they provide the food to each and every part of the plant. This is only leaf. They provide it to the different parts of the plant for their growth and development, for their energy. But some of them are stored, and they are stored material which we human beings and animals we eat. It may be stored in the roots, it may be stored in the stems, it may be stored in the leaves, and that is the starch which we consume. Like I said, potato, we will discuss in the coming modules that how the starch is sometimes stored in the root and what we consume, or in the stem or in the leaves. So this is which are consumed and eaten by animals and human beings. So this is the purpose, or how do plants use their food. So they use their food mainly for their energy, for their growth, and the extra food is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant, like root, stem or leaves. Okay, so this is all about plants and preparing and storing food. Thank you.